Hi everybody, Mahesh here. So in today's video, I'm going to review my brokerage account with you all and showcase where I am at this week. So today I actually sold two stocks and I will go over them in few moments here. I will tell you why I sold them, what data I was looking at and how long I was holding those stocks and whether I made any money or not. Just to take a step back, the data that I am using to make these decisions will be available as a free pilot that we are launching in few weeks. And if you are interested in this data, then let me know. You can reach out to me through my LinkedIn or you can comment here, and once the sign up URL is available, I'll either comment you back or message you back on LinkedIn. So let's get into the stocks that I sold today. So the first one, HNR Block. So if you guys remember that I was holding HNR Block, it's been almost 5 weeks now. My average cost basis was somewhere around $15.15, right? And the best buy, I was close to $102.50 around that price. That was my average price for these two stocks. Now, why I decided to sell? So I logged into our portal here, and as you can see, I always talk about these buying zones and selling zones. I don't want to go over them again, but I got into HNR Block somewhere here in the buying zone, and I know that those selling zones are coming up, and my goal is not to literally sell at the top, because then I may make a mistake. So I decided that the target price was reaching what I had in mind. It may go up to after my research, and I also shared my research, like what I look into when I'm buying a stock, how I determine the target prices, where I think it may or may not go. So today it was reaching that target price and I decided to sell. Same with Best Buy, it is in that kind of selling zone. It may not be at the top, but I decided to went ahead and sell it and take my profits. So let's get into my account. I'll show you my account, and you will see if I made any money or not when I bought it, how much I sold it for. So as you can see here, I just have now three stocks here, Salesforce, REGN, and Splunk. So I'm still waiting for that right opportune moment to sell it. At least it's not today, so I'm still holding on to them. But I went ahead and sold the two stocks that I just mentioned. So let me just draw here. So Best Buy, I was able to sell it $105, as you can see here. Sorry, $115, my bad. $115. These are just number of shares. And HNR Block, I was able to sell at $20.26. So now I have simplified this whole thing into a PowerPoint so that you can see. So I'll start with HNR Block. So I bought HNR Block on 12/21, my first order, and then I bought again on January 5th. So my average cost was $15.15 per share. So I sold it today, 127, at $20.26. So my holding period was approximately 5 weeks. The good news is, I made a very decent profit, 33.7% in last 5 weeks by holding this HNR Block. So the good thing here was this number, 5 weeks, because in that 5 weeks I spent probably not very much time in front of computer to determine whether I need to sell it, whether I need to do more research. So I was not stressing out, and most of my time goes into when I make a decision to buy a stock, and then I have some idea in my mind when I'm gonna sell it. Okay, some idea of a price point. And then I keep a watch on our data every day just to make sure there are no red flags, right? And today was the day when I saw that it is in that selling zone, it is reaching that target price, and I decided to sell it. Best Buy, I bought it on 12/16, December 16, and then again I bought on December 18th. The cost basis was somewhere around $102.05. I sold it today at $115. Holding period again less than 6 weeks. Approximately, I was able to make 12.9% profit in that period of time. The best thing that I am doing that I wanted to share with you guys was that I'm not day trading. I'm not sitting in front of computer all day and scratching my head, having 10 heart attacks a day. You know what I mean? So this is kind of where I am at. So I may do some research on what to do with the money that I made, that I have available now, where I need to put in, so on and so forth. So in my next videos, I will again probably next week I will share where I'm at, whether I bought into some another company. I will show you all and I will share with you all. And thank you for watching my videos. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so, because one, I am creating my stock investing journey and I will be uploading these videos. Second, I recently started doing analysis on a company per week, where I share my research with you all. So if you are interested in learning about what our data is saying and what I think about that company, so please do check those videos. And I'm also trying to create some more useful content that you probably will love. So thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time.